Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to color this beautiful strawberry. Step by step. If you love art, relaxing videos, or just enjoy watching color come to life, you are in the right place. I am starting with a light red shade and gently peeling in the base. Don't worry about making it perfect right away. Just take your time and boil the color slowly. Next, I am adding a dark red to create some depth and shading. This helps the strawberry look more realistic and not flat. See how it's already starting to puff. Now I am blending the color together to make it smooth. This step is super satisfying. It gives the strawberry that soft, natural look. Let's not forget the seed. I am coloring them with a light yellow tone. So they stand out nicely against the red. And now for the leaves on top, I am using a bright green first, then adding a darker green for shadow. This makes the leaves look fresh and lively. Almost done. I am adding a few final touch, a bit more shading, some highlight and cleaning up the edge. And there you go. Our strawberry is complete. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more relaxing coloring videos. Let me know in the comment what I should color next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.